Welcome to 20 Car. Step into the electrifying aura of the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan, a car sculpted by the hands of artisans and kissed by the Italian sun. With an aerodynamic design that looks like it's in motion even when parked, the Huracan's sharp edges and fierce Y-shaped LED headlights roar sophistication. Its signature hexagonal exhausts and rear diffuser declare, "I'm fast, and I know it." Slide inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's nothing short of an Italian opera. The Alcantara and carbon fiber accents whisper luxury, while the 12.3-inch digital display sings with cutting-edge tech. The jet fighter-inspired toggle switches on the dashboard? Pure adrenaline. It's not just a car, it's a control tower for speed. Underneath that muscular hood lies a naturally aspirated 5.2 liters V10 engine, churning out 631 horsepower. It propels this beast from 0 to 100 kilometers height in a mere 2.9 seconds. The grip from the all-wheel drive system ensures you carve corners like Michelangelo sculpting David. Ferrari F8 Tributo and McLaren Artura might come close, but the Huracan has the pizzazz they envy. Priced at around $260,000, owning this raging bull isn't just about money. Maintenance dances at $10,000 annually, insurance isn't cheap, and depreciation? Slight, thanks to its cult following. Yet, the raw, unfiltered driving experience pays it all back. Advantages? Jaw-dropping design, explosive speed, and a soundtrack that makes hearts race. Disadvantages? A stiff ride and limited cargo space. But let's be honest, this isn't for grocery runs, it's for ruling roads.